This is going to be one of the most important videos that I have ever made. Today, guys, I'm going to explain to you what is Trade Pro Labs, what is TPL, and why are we here. So first and foremost, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Egan Govender. I'm the director, I'm the CEO, I'm the founder. I'm all of those people built up into one badass guy. To put it frankly, so Trade Pro Labs, or TPL, was founded in 2019 by myself. And the reason why I started TPL was because I came from a financial background, I came from a trading background, and I've noticed and I know of people that have lost so much of money trading and investing into cryptocurrency and investing overall in different industries, etc. So by doing so, I've seen wealth being lost and wealth being made from crypto and from investing into crypto. And I wanted to know, why is it that some people are making money and some people are not? Well, it boils down to a couple of different factors. Several of them being knowledge, experience, knowing what to do, investing in the right companies, making sure you're doing your due diligence, making sure you've got the experience, making sure you're trusting the people you're putting your money with, making sure that the companies you're putting your money with are regulated or registered or have good licensing in different jurisdictions. So some of the factors is obviously there and everybody knows about it. But the most alarming point for me was that success rates on investment were very low. People that were investing, a lot of them lost money, etc., into projects. And I researched and I spent years and years and years of my life going through the process and understanding what it takes to invest. Meaning that I've spent years and I've put in the work and the expertise and the knowledge and the experience on how to invest properly and do it in the right way. Firstly, like not to get scammed or put off or get rug pulled, or getting right now with Terra Luna and all of these companies going down here, you can you get skeptical about what's going on right now and worried in any event. So I created TPL and Trade Pro Labs just because I wanted to teach people. So it started off on an education level that, hey, I would want to give knowledge to you guys and explain to you how to invest properly, how to analyze, meaning fundamental analysis, technical analysis. I've created courses around this. I've taught this to hundreds and hundreds of people around the world on how to invest properly without making the mistakes and falling into traps, etc. And by myself also been investing and going through projects that are startup projects, exponentially startup projects, and investing early rounds before everybody else gets in, etc. So I've been in this industry for a long time and I understand a lot more and been through a few cycles, if I would say, in this industry. So the great news, obviously, because it was 2018, 2019, I know a lot more and I've been through a couple of cycles, if I would say, already. So TPL was created on the basis to teach people and educate people. Right now, TPL has evolved into so much of different opportunities for you guys. We're trying to help you guys more than anything else. So we created new education courses to teach you free. Obviously, most of the stuff is online. Apart from that, we've done news articles and explaining to you what's currently trending in the market. So what's actually going on? I mean, reading the article or reading the newspaper is not for everybody. So we try to give it to you in a very concise manner, a very detailed manner, something that's digestible, so very short format and enthusiastic and energetic, to give you guys this live information, currently what's happening in the market, and relevant news articles as well. And this way you guys can understand what you can do, what you cannot do, and get the information much more fluidly, because we spent with my team hours on end researching and finding this information for you guys, so we can give it to you guys in a very good way and very short format, so you can get straight to the point and tick the box. Because most people get lost in transition, meaning that it gets too complicated and you're not going to understand it and you're just going to put it to the side. Understanding that this is the next evolution of finance, Mass adoption is here. More companies around the world are adopting to cryptocurrency. Visa, MasterCard, buying properties, investments, crypto funds, VC funds around the world are investing in cryptocurrency. Football clubs, mass adoption by Nike in NFTs. Eminem, musicians are using NFTs right now. So Web3 is going to be the next era. It's going to be the next place. Blockchain and cryptocurrency, metaverse, these are the things and the topics that's going to be the forefront of technology in the next coming years. The next 5 to 10 years is going to be an amazing 5 to 10 years for anybody that's going to be on it. And it's going to be like the Uber of the world, where, you know, the old conventional way of taking a taxi and not knowing what you're going to get charged was there, and then Uber came and wiped out the whole industry, where you know where you're starting and where you're finishing off. So full transparency, blockchain is there to help people and being transparent. But coming back to what TPL is. So TPL, we are a news platform, as well as an education platform, as well as a token platform, where you can, if you do not want to take the time out to know and research and invest, you can put your funds into TPL capital or TPL token, and we can obviously then go out and invest into projects, and that way you could get the ROI without doing the work. Meaning that if you don't want to invest yourselves, you can do it that way. Alternatively, you can go through our education and teach you and experience, give you the knowledge and expertise on what are the relevant projects, what are the relevant startups, how to invest in these projects. So you don't have to make mistakes along the way, and you can see and follow our journey. Secondly to that, we're going to be giving trading signals and investment signals and strategies on how we invest, so you guys can follow us as well. So we're not only doing it in one medium, we've got 5 or 6 different elevations and methods or strategies to invest, and we teach you guys these different strategies and techniques. Obviously, Islamic financing, we're doing it through Islamic financing as well. So Sharia financing, meaning you can invest into the crypto token, and we can invest in a Sharia compliant method, so you can make sure that your funds are completely invested in the right way and not invested wrongly in different forms. This is one of the forefronts of what our new technology and platform is going to be able to do. And then on the news element, just giving you guys the content on a much higher level, it's going to help you guys to progress and teach you guys on a level that you don't make mistakes. I looked at startup projects and why do they succeed. Right now, there's so many failures in cryptocurrency projects, meaning investors, you've invested into a project and then the project's no more existent, or they didn't have enough runway or the right team to actually execute on the projects. So how would you know whether or not to invest into the project? We've done it in a very simplified method, where we co-invest, where we do full due diligence on the team, where we ourselves are investing into the project, so you guys can understand that you're investing into something that's going to be there in the next 5 to 10 years, very elongated. Your investment is safe, there's no rug pulls, there's no influencer marketing, there's no messing up and losing money in this fashion, because we all know that people get scammed every single day through cryptocurrency and blockchain, and then there's a lot of people that make a lot of money with it. And what defines that factor? I started off exactly where you are, obviously as a retail investor, not knowing anything, and made a lot of mistakes along the way to this point where we are right now. And we've built up this team where we can actually train you, teach you, explain to you, help you, guide you, and even manage, if you need, all of the success in cryptocurrency, blockchain, Web3, metaverse, NFTs, in the space where there's a lot of misconceptions and a lot of profitability. Mass adoption is here. If you want to be in the forefront of making a lot of money, this is an amazing time for most people. A lot of countries around the world are adopting cryptocurrency as a base currency. They're using it on the relative day-to-day lives. This is going to be the next evolution for yourselves, for your family. And how can a retail investor who doesn't know anything about it get involved? Everybody's speaking about Bitcoin and how much money they make. How can you get involved? How can you make sure that you don't get scammed? Well, this is why I created TPL. I've got family members, myself, who lost money along the way. How can I manage to make sure that that doesn't happen? Well, this is why I created TPL. because I am concerned about this industry. I'm concerned about helping people. I'm concerned about how can I make it fluid. So this mass adoption doesn't come at a big halt to people that are scared and skeptical, but more of a, all right, I know what this is, I understand it, I am invested in it, I've done it properly. TPL has helped me every step of the way, and this is the main reason of why I'm here. I've got children, I've got a family, so myself personally, I want to help people to move forward and do it properly and invest properly, because my kids, I want to grow them up to go into an industry, and obviously if this is going to be the next evolution, I want them to know what this is. I want to build up a future for them. I do not want to be left in the lurch like Uber did, like every technology system did, like every .com era, like every other principal action that happened in the world. I do not want my family and my kids to go through that cycle. I want everybody around me to be successful. I want them to enjoy this journey. I want them to be embraced and acknowledge that this is the next era, and obviously to understand how to do it in a safe and secure and segregated manner, how to do it in a transparent manner, how to invest in a regulated manner, how to make sure that your finances are locked in, safe and secure, how to make money if you do not have money, how to do it in a way that you're going to be comfortable, that you're not going to be put out of pocket, but you're still in it. This is why we're here. If this video relates to you, please like, share, subscribe. Please join us. Join our education platform. It's going to be an amazing one. We're going to launch in the next few weeks or so, and you're going to have access to the top projects, investment opportunities, strategies, techniques, skill sets, everything that you need. If you do not have the brain capacity, or you feel that, hey, this is too much for you and you don't want to absorb it, but you want to be able to invest, join us, follow us, and we do it for you. We help you guys to do it on a very easy way through our TradePro Labs token. Please like, share, subscribe, and I want to help you in this journey. Thank you guys for joining TPL and help us in this movement. Please follow us, and let us see on the next video exactly what everything is about. And this was more informative on what is TPL. Take care guys, see you in the next video.